Okay, so I did some meal prepping for my two adult children that don't live at home. So this is for the 22-year-old. Trying to help them save some money. So I made some pulled pork, and I'm probably going to change this to a different container just because they're freezer. And then this is cooked seasoned ground chicken. I think I made her 5 packs of this. And most of this is ×2, except that they have different eating habits. So 5 ground cooked chicken, 3 ground cooked pork. I think there's 5 ground cooked beef. Pasta sauce, there's 4 of those that has meat in it. There are 3 of these roasts. So just basically I made individual servings. And then there's 4 packs of chicken thighs that have 2 in each pack. And then there's 6 packs of chicken legs that have 3 in each pack. And then I think that's over here. And then I have some other things I'm going to drop off for them, pastas and things like that. But yeah, and then I'll show the other ones. Okay, so part 2 of my meal prepping for my kids. This one is for a 26-year-old. The 26 and 22-year-old live together. So a couple of things I forgot. So this is the pulled pork. I am going to repack that into a bag just so they'll have enough room in their freezer. This one does not eat beef or pork chops or things like that. So this one has some, this is chopped, shredded, Shirley eats boneless, skinless chicken breast, essentially, when it comes to chicken. So that is chopped seasoned chicken. There's 4 packs of that. And then this is cooked. This is actually not what it says in a bag because I reused the bag. This is a cooked seasoned chicken strip. So I just cooked it in seasoning, seasoned it up some more, and stripped it up down rough strips and bagged it up. Just 4 of those. She has some tortillas. The other one has tortillas too. I just forgot to unpack them. I think there's 5 packs of ground chicken that's seasoned and cooked already. 3 packs of seasoned cooked pork. 5, actually this one should have 6. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 6 packs of seasoned cooked ground beef. 4 things of pasta sauce. It already has meat in it already. Eggs. The other one doesn't eat eggs. And then this one has chicken sandwich. So they're just chicken strips that chicken breast that I cut down to make so she can use it as a sandwich. So I did 4 of those. And then a can of chili, dairy-free creamer, just some pasta, and some other little pastas and things like that. So this is just me trying to help them get their budget in control, get over the month. I'm basically trying to put them ahead for the month. Yeah, so I'll probably do this for them quite a bit. This is kind of my thing, the meal prepping. So I'll probably get back to doing this for them maybe once a month or so, just to kind of keep them ahead. They're broke college kids, so just trying to help them out a little bit. So yeah. And I do have to adjust it because this particular one is allergic to peanuts, dairy-free, technically should be gluten-free, but they do what they want. And then they don't eat, pork chops, or they'll eat the pulled pork, but they won't eat pork chops. They'll only eat bacon if it's practically burnt, no sausage, mainly chicken, only chicken breast, boneless, skinless. So I got to do a lot of dancing. The other one won't eat eggs. I got to do a lot of dancing for this. So, but anyway, I'm helping them out, and that's where we're at. So this is something I do with leftover when I make something. So some of this is from like the roast that I made. Some of this is from, not the pulled pork, but just some barbecue sauce I was doing for some chicken. This one is exactly what it says, chicken broth and oil from when I roasted some chicken. I'm just going to throw it all in the freezer, and then what happens is that if I find myself cooking something and I'm like, a little punch of flavor, making some soup or something, I just throw that in there. So it's a good way of first off, we're not throwing that down the sink. 2, you ever make something and the sauce is amazing and you're just like, what can I do with it? Put it in a little container, put it in the freezer, add it to something else. It should be fine.